Hello guys, welcome to our Excuse Me Max channel. இந்த வீடியோல லாஸ்ட் 7 years PYQ ல இருந்து செகண்ட் சாப்டரோட 1 mark questions மட்டும் பார்க்க போறோம். First question, the value of 1 plus I by root 2 the whole power 8 plus 1 minus I by root 2 the whole power 8 is, we have 4 options. இது out of book question. The solution is, first write each term in polar form. That is 1 plus I by root 2 is equal to cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4, and 1 minus I by root 2 is equal to cos of minus pi by 4 plus I sin minus pi by 4. Now using de Moivre's theorem, you know cos theta plus I sin theta the whole power n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. We have 1 plus I by root 2 the whole power 8 is equal to cos 8 pi by 4 plus I sin 8 pi by 4. So that is equal to cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. So that is equal to 1. So similarly, you get 1 minus I by root 2 the whole power 8 is equal to cos of minus 2 pi plus I sin of minus 2 pi, which is equal to 1. So therefore 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So therefore your solution is 2. Next question, the value of summation n is equal to 1 to 13 I power n plus I power n minus 1 is, we have given 4 options. This question is from 2025 and 2020. Coming to the solution, since the sum of 4 consecutive powers of I is 0, we repeat the powers of I every 4 terms. That is I minus 1 minus I 1. Then add any 4 consecutive terms and the sum is 0. That is 13 is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1. That is equal to 12 plus 1. So that is equal to 12 becomes 0 plus 1. So that is I power 13 plus I power 12 is equal to 1 plus I is the answer. Our next problem, the value of summation n is equal to 1 to 12 I power n is, you have to find it. In the question 2022 la ketta question, since the power of I repeat every 4 terms, we have I minus 1 minus I 1 etc. The sum of these 4 terms is 0. Since 12 is equal to 4 into 3, the series consists of 3 complete cycles. That is, the series consists of 3 groups. For the total sum is 0. So the solution is A, 0. Next problem, if mod z is equal to 1, then the value of 1 plus z by 1 plus z bar is. This is 2023-2024 question. Before solving, remember these 2 important properties. Z bar is equal to mod z square, and if mod z is equal to 1, then z bar is equal to 1. From this, z bar is equal to 1 by z. From the problem, we have 1 plus z pi, 1 plus z bar is equal to 1 plus z pi, 1 plus z bar becomes 1 by z. So that is equal to 1 plus z by z plus 1 by z, and solving we get z. So z is the solution of this problem. Next question, if z is a complex number such that z belongs to c minus r and z plus 1 by z belongs to r, then mod z is. The 2026 la ketta question, since z plus 1 by z is real, it must equal to its conjugate. So taking conjugate, we get z plus 1 by z is equal to z plus 1 by z the whole bar, which gives z plus 1 by z is equal to z bar plus 1 by z bar. So you take everything to the left hand side, we get z minus z bar plus 1 by z minus 1 by z bar is equal to 0, which gives z minus z bar plus, take LCM, z bar minus z by z bar is equal to 0. Since you know z minus z bar is not equal to 0, we have 1 minus 1 by z bar is equal to 0. Then simplify that, we get mod z square is equal to 1. From that we get mod z is equal to 1. So your answer is 1. Next problem, if 1 plus I, 1 plus 2i, 1 plus 3i etc. 1 plus ni is equal to x plus iy, then 2 into 5 into 10 etc. into 1 plus n square is. This is 2024 and 2022 la ketta question. For this problem, whenever you see x plus iy, immediately you take modulus on both sides and squaring on both sides. You remember the properties. Modulus of z1 z2 is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2, and modulus of a plus bi the whole square is equal to a square plus b square if z is equal to a plus ib. So here we have 1 plus I into 1 plus 2i into 1 plus 3i etc. 1 plus ni is equal to x plus iy. Now you take mod on both sides. Modulus of 1 plus I, 1 plus 2i, 1 plus 3i etc. 1 plus ni is equal to modulus of x plus iy. Then you square on both sides. You get modulus of 1 plus I the whole square is equal to 2. Modulus of 1 plus 2i the whole square is equal to 5. Modulus of 1 plus 3i the whole square is equal to 10. And etc. Modulus of 1 plus ni the whole square is equal to 1 plus n square. And modulus of x plus iy the whole square is equal to x square plus y square. Then you substitute here. You get 2 into 5 into 10 into etc. 1 plus n square is equal to x square plus y square, which is the solution of this problem. Next problem. The square root of I r. The 2025 Lakweta question. Whenever you see square root of I, first write I is equal to cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Then half of the angle is I is equal to cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Then you take modulus. We get modulus of I is equal to 1, which is equal to plus or minus, you get the result as 1 plus I by root 2. So your solution is B, plus or minus 1 by root 2 into 1 plus I. Next question. Argument of 0 is the 2020 laketa question. The answer is argument of 0 is undefined. Since argument means the direction, that is angle of a complex number from the origin. Since 0 lies at the origin and has no direction. So therefore argument 0 is undefined. So idoda 1 mark questions முடிஞ்சது. இனி next வீடியோல 2 marks questions பார்க்கலாம். இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, அப்படியே சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. Thank you.